Welcome! In front of me I have DIESEL On Axial watch, and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the middle button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll all the way down, find the option called the system, and tap on it. And here, find the option called about, and select it. Now, scroll down, and below versions, you will see the option called serial number, and you will see the number listed right here. And once you're done checking, you can press the middle button to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you check the serial number on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.